Hello, good morning. Meet Shanti. She travels with me these days. Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I'm Prajakta. Welcome back to a very interesting vlog. I say interesting because it's starting with me ironing a bunch of hair that's not attached to my head. These are my extensions from Mao that I usually use for dimple. And I'm gonna go for a shoot to Goa after we're in Lucknow by the way. And I have these for that. And आज मैं बहुत सुंदर सूट वूट पहन रही हूँ तो in my head I'm like so we're in Lucknow and we're here for an event with the Smart Fellowship Program and Nimaya. Navya is the sweetest for inviting me to speak at a panel today here in Lucknow with over almost 1,000 beautiful, talented women. So we're just getting ready to do that. And this goes here. So we're ready. This is the outfit. I've been saving this suit for a while and I'm very happy to wear it. It fits so well. Ready ho gaye. I think अब निकलना ही है. I think we have a little bit of an interview situation happening in the hotel for a radio station, which is exciting. उसके बाद हम event पे जाएंगे. And the hotel is so sweet. Yesterday when I came to my room, they gave me a birthday cake with a chocolate picture of me and there's mangoes. I'm gonna save that. I think I ate a little bit of the mangoes. लेकिन मैं अपने कमरे में आई तो मैं अकेली थी. मैंने क्या ही अकेले में केक काट के खाऊं. But yeah, it's good. Let's go. Everybody say hi to Pooja Dhingra. We're very excited. We're both equally clueless. It's always nice to have company.
बहुत स्वागत है आपका लखनऊ में. राशि.
Thank you. Hi Rashi.
Prajakta.
Good morning. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. We're going to go on for long now. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. You're right. I did turn
4, 5, 6,
8 years old. Correct.
मोस्टली सेन हमारे साथ में है. चिकन का कुत्ता हमारी एरिया का ही पहने बैठी हैं.
निखिल तनेजा करके हमारे एक कॉमन फ्रेंड है जिनके थ्रू में मैं नव्या से पहली बार ही मिली. I remember meeting her and being so blown away by how focused she was, her simplicity overall. उनसे बात करने में बड़ा मजा आता है. तो जब उनका मैसेज आया कि वो ऐसा कुछ कर रहे हैं, I was like, why didn't we know about this before? तो अभी तो बहुत खुशी हो रही है. अभी एक्साइटेड है, पहली बार ही जाएंगे उस इवेंट पे.
वेरी नाइस. तो अभी स्मार्ट नारीज के लिए, जिनके लिए आप अभी जा भी रहे हो इवेंट पे, या लखनऊ की कहें, ओवरऑल जितने भी लोग आपको इस वीडियो के थ्रू देख रहे हैं, उन स्मार्ट नारीज के लिए क्या मैसेज देना चाहोगे?
Never let your gender be a factor in any decision. Favorite show Mismatched on Netflix. Book मुझे latest book जो मैंने पढ़ी है that has really stayed with me is The Last Queen by Chitra Banerjee.
Oh wow.
Please उसको पढ़ें अगर आपने पढ़ा नहीं.
मॉर्निंग पर्सन.
और मेरी बुक आ रही है.
कौन सी?
So I'm writing. This is why you need friends. It's
That'll be my new favorite.
Yeah, correct answer. It's called Too Good to Be True. It's a romance fiction.
Happy birthday, dear Prajakta.
Thank you.
What's your name?
She's Ida.
Right.
Okay, so we're here at the event. I just went and met everyone. There are a bunch of such a fun, happy group of women. It's always nice to be in a room where you have beautiful faces smiling back at you. I'm really excited for this chat. मैं थोड़ी सी nervous हूँ because I have to do like a 5-minute talk. और मैंने वो बहुत टाइम से करा नहीं है. So I'm a little nervous, but I think it'll be fine.
Hi, Prajakta.
Hello.
So, what do you think about Nimaya's initiative of training women with soft skills?
When I heard about this the first time, my first reaction was, why haven't I been here before? I think what Samyak and Navya are doing is beautiful. And अभी event शुरू भी नहीं हुआ है, but right before I just took a walk in the auditorium and there's just something about beautiful faces of women smiling back at you. They're all so happy, they all look so optimistic, and that makes me very happy. So I'm very happy that Navya even reached out to me for something like this. So hopefully first of the many things that we do together.
ये क्या वेलकम हो गया, लखनऊ में पहली बार आ रहे हैं हम, ऐसे स्वागत करेंगे। Thank you so much.
In an environment where AI is replacing human jobs, we want to ensure that our future-ready Naris are equipped and in a position to work alongside the technological development.
This is where all the magic happens. But I don't necessarily agree. I think the real growth and the hidden potential that we have not tapped into yet are in emerging cities like Lucknow, where we have so many young people, so much incredible talent, so much passion and ambition. My family is from UP, so it's a very, very personal feeling and very special for me to be here as well.
Today we have the unique opportunity to learn from those who have sailed the seas and emerged as icons in their respective domain. It is my pleasure to introduce our distinguished guests for this segment. Ladies and gentlemen, we are thrilled to welcome the phenomenal Prajakta Kohli, a true trailblazer in the digital world, known as Mostly Sane. Prajakta has inspired millions with humor, creativity and authenticity, breaking barriers and redefining content creation.
Thank you so much for the thank you for being extremely warm. I've loved every visit that I've made to Lucknow, and every time I come, the more I want to come again to Lucknow. So thank you so much for being this.
Starting with off, please, class.
Yeah, but I didn't know it had already started for me. Going back to what you said about being yourself. I know it comes as the most cliche advice. कि t-shirt पे लिखवा दो, डायरी पे लिखवा दो, be you. But over the past 9 years, I've realized that it's the easiest hack. It's actually the most empowering and the easiest way to go forward. One of the things I realized that there's a reason why I can't be shaken very easily is because when I've made a mistake or I've fallen down, when I go back and I talk to myself, I'm in my corner. And that kind of helps me get back up. So I don't know if this constitutes a soft skill. It does, right? But I think that has to be the one thing that I'll keep going back to every single day, where I have very honest, transparent, healthy conversations with myself through thick and thin. We're winging it each and every day because there is no way to have like complete control over this. Okay, so that is the end of the Lucknow trip. I am on my way to Goa now because I'm going to go shoot a really fun thing with Taruk for something that we've been planning for quite some time now. So I'm just happy. मेरी flight 1 घंटा डिले हो चुकी है, but that's okay. लैंड होने के बाद फिर भी 1-1.5 घंटा है till my next flight, so I should be fine. So yeah, now we just get a bite, get something to drink, and then pass out on the flight. I'm so tired. मतलब आज तो ज़्यादा कुछ मेहनत करी भी नहीं, ऐसे ही थक गए बस. Lucknow was great यार. मेरे को honestly लगता है I'm so happy that Navya and Samyak are doing what they're doing. मैं उसके बारे में और details ना description में डाल दूँगी. So you should check it out if you are interested in also learning soft skills or training yourself with them. And for now, I'm just bummed that I couldn't stay in Lucknow. Pooja रह रही है थोड़े दिन और मेरे ख्याल से आज कल रह के. She's gonna go eat all the chaat, all the malai pan, all the kebabs. Sorry, I wish I could also wait and eat, but next time. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I think I'm gonna go back to my book, and then I'll see you soon. Bye, love.